Hey, so glad you joined us for another video. Welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Japanese soufflé pancakes. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of future videos. In the first step, you'll need 2 large eggs. You're then going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Be sure not to get any egg yolk in the egg whites, otherwise your meringue will not turn out at all. You're then going to put your egg whites into the freezer. While your egg whites are in the freezer, add 1½ tablespoons of milk to your egg yolks. And a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk until thick and frothy. To the bowl, add a 1/4 cup flour and a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Whisk to combine thoroughly, but do not overmix. Okay, after 15 minutes, remove your egg whites from the freezer and pour them into a bowl. Now you're going to beat them until frothy and pale white. Once it becomes frothy and pale white, continue beating while gradually adding the sugar. Stop beating the meringue when you lift up on the hand mixer and the egg whites stand up in stiff peaks, slightly bending over. Go ahead and start heating your pan up on low and spray it with some cooking oil. While your pan is heating up, take about 1/3 of the egg whites and add them to the egg yolk mixture. And whisk that in. Next, add 1/2 of the remaining egg whites to the egg yolk mixture and gently fold it in without breaking the air bubbles. Now transfer the egg yolk mixture into the egg whites. Carefully fold in the 2 mixtures together without breaking the air bubbles like I mentioned. Okay, once your pan is heated up, you're going to use a little ladle or a big spoon to scoop your batter in. I'm going to do 2 scoops for now. You're wanting it to be a tall pancake, not so wide. You're gonna let it cook a little bit before you add the other 2 scoops on top. That way it won't totally spread out. You're wanting your heat to be around 300 Fahrenheit, so you may need to adjust it. Once your pancake has started to set, go ahead and add 2 more scoops on top. Add some drops of water to create some steam, and then put a lid on and set your timer for 6 to 7 minutes. After 2 minutes, place another scoop on top and put the lid back on. After 6 to 7 minutes, flip your pancake over and add drops of water for steam as necessary. Replace the lid and cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. For the toppings, you can add whatever you'd like, but some ideas are powdered sugar, whipped cream, and fresh fruit. And that's it. I hope you enjoy your pancakes.